What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to create a green screen using just your property and an old tarp. Has to be green though. So first you'll need a phone, the App Store obviously, preferably iPhone because I haven't been able to find this app on Samsung or anything else. An old tarp and a barn. So for those of us who are like me and just moved or something, or don't know where their green screen is, and it's nice outside, all you need to do is nail or screws into a wall of some sort and then hook up an old tarp. Then simply just clear off everything that's on the place where you're going to stand.
So right here, so I'll clear these old lids off, and then just unfold your green screen / tarp thing, and you have a green screen.
Next, what you're going to do is simply film yourself on said green screen. Da-di-da-di-da, I'm on a green screen. Next, simply load up Videoleap. Press the plus button and choose your green screen video. You may need to do it again. Then, tap it and scroll to the side and click Mixer. Then click the plus and add in another video, the one that you want the green screen to be of. Next, go about to the middle, tap on the green screen video, go into Chroma, and highlight the tarp. Next, go to Intensity, and just sort out the intensity until it works perfectly. Then, your green screen. And now you're done. You've just made a green screen for free. Well, almost free unless you don't have a tarp.